Are you tired of replacing the stock valve on your Thetford Magic 5 toilet? The Beech Lane replacement valve improves both valve lifespan and performance with its patented design. Featuring a proprietary freeze-resistant polymer construction, this unique material was specifically engineered by Beech Lane to prevent cracking and leaking. A reinforced end cap, ultrasonic welding on vulnerable seams, and durable, thick-walled construction help this valve outperform the competition year after year. The Beech Lane valve fits all high and low Thetford Magic 5 toilets. Beech Lane is an American company located in North Carolina and features USA-based product support. The valve includes a lifetime manufacturer warranty. Upgrade your valve today.